how can you even call yourself an investor if you don't have a 10-year time horizon?
So
Like if you have a 4-year time horizon is short, a 10-year time horizon is reasonable. Warren Buffett says infinite, forever is the right time horizon. If you're saying your time horizon is a year, you're not an investor, you're a gambler.
You can definitely say that Michael Saylor is a big Bitcoin hodler, and the next clip is going to show that even more. And after that, we are going to look what hodling actually means price-wise with Bitcoin.
But by the way, people make fun of me for talking about 100 years, but there's nothing in Western civilization that we really cherish that isn't 100 years old. You know, Mozart, Beethoven, cathedrals, the country, our cities, right? There's a lot, if you really care about something, you look out 100 years, it clarifies all the noise. Now you back up and you can see why you don't want to store all of your money in an equity. The reason that the Bitcoin maximalists, the cyber hornets, if you will, the reason they're passionate and religious about this is because for the first time in human history, you can take all of your wealth and your life force, you can put it into an asset, you can keep the keys, you can take custody of your $1 million, your $100,000. No government, no bank can take it away from you. There's nobody to tell you you can't own your life force. And if you have hopes and aspirations for your family, for your religion, for your life, then you have the power to achieve those hopes and aspirations without asking the permission of a bank or a government or a politician. And if money is energy, right? And this energy is going to last a long time. Energy is essential to life. Bitcoin is about immortal life. It's about achieving your hopes and aspirations for as long as you can conceive of them.
Now we look at the power of hodling, and for that reason we use the Bitcoin regression band. This basically shows here all the Bitcoin bull runs and bear markets that we have already experienced. And here is the prediction in the future what's probably going to happen. And for the reason that I have showed you, like what Michael Saylor says about like hodling and investing in the long term, I want to show you the power behind hodling and thinking long term, because now everybody's basically focused on the next bull run, and that's going to happen if it is happening, but it's likely to happen because here you see all the halvings, and you can definitely see that a bull run happened after every Bitcoin halving, and so we can expect that the same thing is going to happen again. But here the Bitcoin regression band only goes up to 2027, and up here a Bitcoin at max has around a worth of $500,000 and at the bottom $50,000. But what is now going to happen if I expand everything? Like as Michael Saylor said, we look a decade, what is going to happen in a decade or even in a century. And if we now go to the max of this Bitcoin regression band, everything changes. Like here you have the $100,000 mark, that's pretty relevant today. But if we go all the way to 2037 up here, you can see the max of one Bitcoin is 3 million or even 4 million, and the minimum is between $500,000 and $700,000. So if you invest long term in Bitcoin, and we all know that there is a limited supply of Bitcoin, and everybody on earth right now is like adapting Bitcoin a little more, or the adaptation is happening right now with the ETFs and everything around it. And so this could probably be the future. And if you want to hold Bitcoin for 10 years from now on, if you look at that, that's 2033, then a Bitcoin would at the minimum be worth around, let's have a look, 270,000, and at the maximum 2,200,000. That's quite a lot. And if you look at the price today, it's only $40,000, so it's not a lot. So the power of hodling is definitely around, and yeah, that's the reason why Michael Saylor promotes it that heavily.